kids, today we are learning about sports balls names.
B for badminton, B for badminton,
Badminton,
badminton.
badminton.
B for billiard,
Billiard, billiard, billiard. B for basketball, B for basketball.
basketball, basketball.
S for soccer ball, S for soccer ball.
S for soccer ball,
Soccer ball, soccer ball. H for hockey ice, H for hockey ice.
hockey ice, hockey ice.
A for American football,
A for American football,
American football, American football. B for baseball, B for baseball.
baseball, baseball.
S for Sepak Takraw,
S for Sepak Takraw,
Sepak Takraw, Sepak Takraw. T for tennis ball, T for tennis ball.
tennis ball, tennis ball.
G for golf ball, G for golf ball.
G for golf ball,
Golf ball, golf ball. V for volleyball, V for volleyball.
volleyball, volleyball.
Thank you for checking out Tiny Tales.